Hi, it's Gigi and Kendra. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to decorate for Valentine's Day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate bowling pins. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you should prime and prep your bowling pins. I like to use Valspar furniture paint. It's thick and gooey, and it goes on with just one coat. It covers all the marks and fills in the divots. So just coat your bowling pin really good with the paint. When you're finished, set them aside so that they dry completely. On one bowling pin, I decided to put a floral print on there with markers, and I'm following it up with a permanent black outliner. I put rickrack on another bowling pin with hot glue. On this third bowling pin, I decided to use glitter, and it certainly was not the easiest decor project I've ever done. But with a paintbrush, I painted on clear acrylic and then poured the glitter on and tried to shake it off. But once it dries, the glitter is fairly permanent. I kind of like how they turned out. What do you think? Check the link out below for this really cute heart table runner. If you really love Valentine's crafts, you can check down below for my entire Valentine video. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.